As an indigenous person, understanding our language, culture and heritage can help us understand who we are and give us a sense of pride in our identity. With that in mind, the iTaukei Trust Fund Board proudly presents the Solesau Learning Management System. Designed as an online platform to deliver training to geographically dispersed iTaukei communities across the globe, as well as those here in Fiji. The Solesau Learning Management System focuses on maintaining and enhancing the knowledge and understanding of the iTaukei language and culture. Developed as an all-embracing and culturally responsive framework of the teaching and delivery of foundational activities on the iTaukei language and culture. The Solesau LMS focuses on promoting the revitalization of the appropriate iTaukei cultural traditions and ensuring the transferring of this knowledge to our younger generations. With its responsive design, active learning and environment and reporting and analytics, the Solesau LMS offers users an easy-to-use interface with intuitive features including the Solesau module, which allows users to learn the alphabet system and how to correctly read, write, and speak the iTaukei language. The Solesau module offers a chance to explore the significance of traditional craftsmanship, art, and heritage sites. Users will also be delighted to find out that with the Solesau module, they can discover kinship relations through Vanua connections and blood ties, including the meaning and significance of these relationships. And with the Solesau module, you can learn about the customs and traditions, ceremonial presentations, role and status, as well as traditional performances. Explore the iTaukei language and culture like never before. The Solesau Learning Management System. Happy Fiji Day from the team at the iTaukei Trust Fund Board.